So today I'm going to do a small tutorial. I've never done this before, so we shall see how it turns out. I'm attempting to curl my hair without heat and only using materials. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to show you exactly what I did to get it in that part of the material. So I've sectioned my hair, depending on how big you want them. I'm doing mine quite big, I guess. So basically you get your material and you drape it over your hair like so. Now get it quite high up because it will slide down as you do it. Now it's sort of like a plait. You can see that. First one's the hardest. You just sort of wrap it around twice, then wrap it around the other one. It's a little bit of practice. You see that? Just wrapping it around. Wrap around again so it's in the middle. Then wrap around this one twice so it's in the middle again. Sort of more like a half one. Okay, and again, and again. Now my hair is damp. It's been air drying for about an hour maybe, half an hour maybe. So it's quite damp, but I will be sleeping with these in, and I'll do another video in the morning to see how they look, because I have no idea. As I said, I've never done this, never seen this done. I've heard about it on a hair forum that I'm a member on, but we shall see. It's all about experimenting. So I don't know if I'm doing that too quick, and if you can see, camera angle's a bit funny. There we go. Now you don't have to use purple fabric. I was wearing a purple top, so I thought I'd buy purple fabric. It doesn't have to be velvet, I just like the feel of it. I like it to be stretchy, I think that's good. But I guess you can really use whatever you want. Now the good thing about these, I think, is that they're going to be curled all the way down, unlike braid waves, which sort of have that, they stop where you put the elastic in. So I go all the way to the end, like so, and then I hold it, grab a elastic band and tie quite tightly, like so. So there you have it. So then do that all the way around, sleep on it, and we'll see how it goes in the morning. Enjoy. So this is the end product. This is what it looks like. Not sure what it looks like in the back, probably a big part there, but let's hope it looks alright in the morning. Keep you updated. Good morning. So this is pretty much how it turns out. It's very similar to what a braid waves look like, but let's give it a go for the rest of it. I just took that other one out because my boyfriend wanted to see it before he went to work, so I thought it would be curly, like curly, not wavy. I'm a bit disappointed, but that's what all this experimenting is about. Stuck on a hair. How the hell is that stuck? Okay, don't take it out that way. What has happened? It's actually like a knot. That's insane. Don't mind me. I wish I could speed up the bit. I'll have to get that in a minute. Okay. Next one. I'm not going to do it that way. And these were very uncomfortable to sleep on. Good to sleep in the end, but they're very hard. They're like sleeping with the sticks on your pillow. Really got to find the right angle and hurt your neck. Probably better to do like roll them up that way and pin them in. Fun to take this out the other way, it's quicker. There we go, so they are really looking like braid waves. They're not. I'm going to have to cut this out, I reckon. It's completely made an actual knot around my hair. I'm not sure if you can see that at all, but that's bad. That's really bad. Not so bad. There we go. And last one on this side. See how that looks. Okay. So I probably would do this again, but then again it's easier just to put plaits or braids in your hair, to be quite honest. That's how I got it. Another piece of hair wrapped around most of them. Yeah, I guess. There we go. So, oh, there's still one more. Lucky you guys get to watch many more. I'm only going to take out half the head to show you all, because I cannot be bothered. Come on. I'm terrible with knots. I'm terrible with bad luck. Every time I try something it turns out bad, so you'll get used to it. What have I done now? There we go. Okay. Should take this one out first, like underneath. Oh, this one looks cool. Looks a bit cooler, hey? What? Okay, so there you have it. That's how it turns out in the morning. My ends don't feel too crash hot. I might have some oil there. Straight at the top, I just have to. I don't know how I'm going to wear it for work. This is going to be hard. Anyways, I will show you just before I go out how I'm going to do it. Okay, so all in all, I didn't like the end result. It's really frizzy, puffy, don't like it. I've just put in a half up pony and another pony. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do this again, but there you have it. That's how it looks, and yeah, see ya.